If you're seeing an x.com or Twitter error page and the site just won't load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem in just a couple of minutes. We'll go step by step so you can get back into your account, refresh the page correctly, clear out any broken browser data, and check whether your VPN or network is causing the issue. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to try is a hard refresh. Sometimes the page is not actually broken, it's just stuck loading an old or corrupted version from your browser. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. If you're on a Mac, press Command, Shift and R. This forces your browser to pull a fresh copy of the page instead of using the cached version. It's a simple step, but it fixes a lot of loading problems right away. If that doesn't work, the next fix is to log out and then log back in. This helps refresh your authentication session, and if your login token has glitched, this can clear it up. To do that, click your profile icon on the bottom left side of your X feed, then choose Logout. After that, close the tab completely, open twitter.com or x.com again, and sign back in with your account details. Once you log back in, check whether the error page is gone. Now, if you're still having trouble, it's time to clear your browser cookies and cache. This is one of the most common reasons web pages fail to load correctly. On Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl, Shift and Delete on your keyboard. A clear browsing data window will appear. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data is selected, along with cached images and files. Once those options are checked, click Clear Data. After that, reload x.com and see if the page works normally again. If the error continues, try opening the site in an incognito or private window. This is a great test because it disables some of the saved browser data and can also help you figure out whether an extension is causing the issue. Open your browser menu, usually the three dots in the top right corner, then select New Incognito window in Chrome or New in Private window in Edge. Once that new window opens, go to x.com and sign in again. If it works there, then the problem may be caused by an extension, a cookie issue, or another browser setting in your normal window. Another thing to check is your VPN and internet connection. If you're using a VPN, try turning it off temporarily and then reload the page. Sometimes certain VPN IP addresses get blocked or conflict with the site's loading process. Also, if your connection is unstable, restarting your router can help. To do that, unplug your router for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to fully return. After that, try x.com again and see if the error page is fixed. If you've gone through all of these steps and the issue still isn't resolved, try another browser or another device just to narrow down whether the problem is with your browser, your account, or your network. But in many cases, one of these simple fixes is enough to get X or Twitter loading again without any complicated troubleshooting. So to recap, start with a hard refresh, then log out and back in, clear cookies and cache, test in a private window, and finally disable your VPN or reset your network connection. Those steps solve most x.com and Twitter error page problems fast. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.